Before replacing the screen assembly, verify the True Tone function on the original screen. Remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Place the phone screen face down on a heating mat. Set the temperature to 80 degrees Celsius to heat the phone for 2 to 3 minutes. Place the iPhone face up on a phone opener. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to fix the iPhone. Put down the lid of the phone opener. Flip down the handle to secure the suction cup to the screen. Rotate the knob clockwise to lift the suction cup to create a gap between the screen and the frame. Apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the glue. Remove the iPhone from the screen opener. Insert an opening pick into the gap under the screen's plastic bezel. Slide the opening pick along the right edge of the phone to separate its adhesive. Insert the opening pick in the bottom left corner of the iPhone. Slide the pick slowly and avoid the cables. Place the iPhone on a screen holder. Open the iPhone by gently swinging the screen up and lean it against the holder. Cover the front cameras with protection stickers. Unscrew the display connector bracket. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the display connector bracket. Use a spudger to disconnect the display cable. Unfasten the front sensor connector bracket. Use a pair of tweezers to remove the bracket. Use a spudger to disconnect the front sensor cable. Remove the screen assembly. Set the original screen assembly aside. Take out the REPART screen assembly for iPhone 14. Before installing the new screen, program True Tone data into the screen. Connect the original screen to a programmer. Read the True Tone data of the original screen. Connect the REPART screen to the programmer and write in the True Tone data. Next, remove the front sensor from the original screen. Place the original screen to a screen fixture. Unfasten the front sensor bracket. Remove the front sensor bracket. Apply some ethyl alcohol to soften the front sensor glue. Use tweezers to remove the microphone, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor from the recesses. Install the front sensor assembly to the new screen. Press the microphone, proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor into the notches. Align the front sensor bracket to the screw holes. Fasten the front sensor bracket. Connect the new screen cable to the logic board. Connect the front sensor cable. Power on the iPhone, and verify the True Tone function is restored. Verify the touch function, and remove the screen. Remove the old adhesive around the perimeter of the iPhone's case. Use tweezers or an electric glue remover. Carefully align the replacement adhesive to iPhone's case. Press down the edges of the adhesive with your fingers. Use the tip of a spudger to press the adhesive into place, around the entire perimeter of the iPhone. Use tweezers to peel off the large front liner of the adhesive. Connect the front sensor cable. Install the front sensor connector bracket. Connect the display cable. Install the display connector bracket. Use tweezers to peel off the final release liner. Hold the display out of the way as you remove the final piece of release liner. Remove the front camera protection stickers. Align the edges of the screen with the edges of the iPhone body. Apply gentle pressure against the screen to close it up. Tighten the two pentalobe screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Thank you for watching.